Deltatrack's ThermalTrace thermal imaging system is a system that can identify individuals with elevated body temperatures. The system features a bispectral camera and black body and is tuned to a narrow range of temperatures with an accuracy of 0.3 degrees Celsius. This video is intended to demonstrate the operation and use of the thermal imaging system. To configure the thermal imaging system, launch the application on the computer. The thermal imaging system interface is displayed. The live video is displayed on the left, while the thermal imaging view is shown on the right. First, we will identify the black body. The black body is the heat radiating device we are referencing, identified as a triangle in the thermal imaging view window. With the cursor, draw a small square around the black body triangle. Click on the Config button to access the Config window. Click on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the window and click on the Mode checkbox to ensure any changes will be saved. Then click Save to save the changes. Verify the threshold to trigger an alarm is properly set. In this example, the threshold setting is 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Verify or enter the calibrated temperature setting on the blackbody device in the settings window. In this example, the calibrated blackbody device has been registered to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Then click Save to save the changes. Close the config screen to check or set the borders and edges to make sure the subjects being measured are in the camera's focal view. Note, we are still in the mode state while performing this operation. Have a test subject extend their arms to 6 different quadrant positions. This is done to verify or set the edges and boundaries to match between the camera and the thermal imaging view. Be careful not to cover the black body when performing this operation. Once the borders and edges have been verified and set, go back to the config screen and turn the mode setting off. Save the changes and exit the config screen. The thermal imaging system is now configured and ready for use. The thermal imaging system is designed to detect body temperatures through the application of an algorithm when measuring a subject's forehead temperature. For this example, to trigger an alert, we will simulate a fever temperature by placing a cup of hot water above the 100.4 degree threshold on the test subject's forehead. When subjects have a temperature above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, as per CDC guidelines, the thermal imaging system captures a picture of the person who potentially could have a fever, one of the symptoms of a virus infection. Here is the same subject now shown with a normal temperature.